Hello students. Last video we have seen about multiplication of any whole number to decimal number or any decimal number to decimal number. Now I want to explain about the division of any decimal number by whole number, because this topic is based on exercise number 2J. If you will do these questions, then you can understand and you can solve the exercise 2G. That's why I have taken this type of example. Then you can do exercise 2G. Just you go through this all the questions. I will explain. Just listen all the videos from. Just you divided by. Just see here question number first. We have to divide 4.13 by 7. So this one is divisor and this one is dividend. So divide 7 to 4.13. Again here previous class we have seen divided any number divided by 10 or 100 or 1000, that is by directly we can do, directly we can put point, but here there is no any direct method. We have to divide only. Actual division we have to do. So just see here, before the point 4 is given and divisor is 7. So it is greater than this number. So it is not divisible. For that we have to remove this point. So remove and then put here point in quotient. So there is no any number is written in the quotient. For that we have to put before the point 0 and then this point will remove. Now we can divide easily. Just you combine this one also, then it will come 41. Then we can divide by 7. So 7 5 it will be possible. So 7 5 35 will come. Then we have to subtract. Just you take borrow from this side from 4. Then it will come 11. 11 minus 5 6, and this one is 3. 3 minus 3 0 will come. Then it has 6 and here 3. Then after one division we can write one digits here. So this will become 63. Then we can divide by 7. 7 9 is 63. It is completely divided. So 7 9 is 63. Remainder will be 0. So final answer is quotient is 0.59. So if we will divide this number 4.13 by whole number 7, then answer will be 0.59. This is the final answer. After that, next question is we have to divide 3.978 by 3. For that, just you do same process like first question. So divisor is 3 and dividend is 3.978. So just write down here 3.978 and then we can divide. Just see here, this one is also 3 and this one is also 3. So we can divide 1 times. So 1 job, 3 1 job, 3. Write down there 1 and then 3 minus 3, 0 will come. Then here point is there. So just remove this point. After 1 point will come. Remove this point will go in quotient. Then we can write there 9. 1 digit. So now we can divide 3 to 9. 3 3 9. So 3 3 9, then subtract 9 minus 9 0. Then write down here 7. So 7 again we have to divide by 3 to 7. So 2 we can divide. Just put here 2. So 3 2 6. Then we have to subtract. Then write down here. First to subtract 1 will come. Then write down here 8. Then we can divide again 3 6 18. So answer will come 3 6 18. Then remainder will be whole 0. So final answer is 1.326. If any number, if this number 3.978 is divided by 3, so answer will be 1.326 by this process. You have to go through each and every steps, then you will get correct answer. There will be no any confusion. Next question, you have to follow same steps like that. Just here, just you see from this first question, before decimal one digit are there, but here before decimal one zero is there. So we have, this is a unique question. Just write down here and divide by 4. So divisor is 4 and dividend is 0.7852. Write down here 0.7852. Now we have to divide. So 0 is less than 4, so it is not divisible. Just remove this point and then put point in quotient, and before that just write down the 0 and then this 0 will remove. Now we will divide by 7. So we can divide by 1 job, 4 1 job 4, 1 times. So just write down the 4 and then subtract 7 minus 4, 3 will come, and then 3 is less than 4, it is not divisible. For that we have to write down this 8 below. Now you can divide by 4 9 ja, that will be 36. So 4 9 ja, 36 will come. Now subtract 38 minus 36. So 2 will become, and 3 minus 0. Now write down here 5 again, next digits. Again it is divided by 4. Then 4 6 ja, 24 will come. 4 6 are 24, then we have to subtract 25 minus 24, 1 will come. Then write down there again next digit 2, then 3 4 job 12. So 3 job we have to multiply by 3. So 12 minus 12, and the remainder will be 0. So quotient is 0.1963. So this is the final answer. Next question is 1.245 divided by 15. 1.245 divided by 15. We have to divide by 15. This is the whole number. So divisor is whole number, and dividend is decimal number. We have to divide the whole number to decimal number. So 15, just write down like this, 1.245. Now we have to divide. For that, just to see, before decimal had only 1, so it is less than 15. It is not divisible. For that, we have to remove this point. So first of all, we have to remove this point in quotient, just to replace, and then this point will remove. Now combine these two digits 1 and 2. Again it is less than 15. Again it is not divisible. So just you have to take this number. For that you have to put here 1 0. Okay. This is the main. You have to see the main process here. I have this point is here. I have removed first of all point because it is not divisible. Then combine 1 and 2. It will come 12. Again it is not divisible by 15. So again I have to combine one more digit. For that you have to put 1 0. Then it will come correct answer. Otherwise it will be wrong. So now it is 124. 124 is divisible. Maybe it can divide by 15. So 15 8 ja 120 will come. So just write down here 120. 15 8 ja 120. You have to memorize the table, then you can do easily. Table is necessary for division and multiplication. In mathematics, table will play a very important role. So you have to learn table at least 1 to 30. That will be very helpful to doing any calculation, multiplication, division, or fraction, solving any questions. So just you subtract here 124 minus 120. So it will be 4 minus 0 4, and 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Again just you see here 4, it is not divisible by 15. Again we have to write down just 5, 1 more, just write down 5. Then we can divide by 3 job. So 15 3 job 45 will come. Completely answer will be, remainder will be 0, and final answer is 0.083. This is the final answer. Okay, like that we have to do next question also. Just you see next question is 248.368 divided by 19. 19 is a whole number. So we have to divide by 19 to 248.368. So just write down like this, 248.368. Now just you combine the two, one digit, it is not divisible by 19. So we have to combine two digits, it is divisible by 19 maybe. So 1 times we can divide. We can divide 1 times 19 1 and 19. So we have to subtract 24 minus 19. So we have to take borrow 4 means 14, 14 minus 9, it will come 5. And here 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Now it is 5, it is not divisible by 90. So now after that we have to write down the 8. It can divide by 90. So 19 3 we can divide by 3. So 19 3 57. Now we have to subtract 58 minus 57, 1 will come here 0. And then point is there. So first of all we have to remove this point. So point will come after 13. So after that we can remove this point. Then we can write here 1 digit more. Means 1 3 means 13 will come. Again it is not it cannot divide by 19. So that we have to remove. We have to take this 6 there. For that we have to put 1 0. Then 6 will come here. Otherwise no. Because 2 digit we cannot write down below at a time without putting there 0. So for 1 digit we can take in below. After second digit continuously we have to take. For that we have to put 1 0. Then we have to write down 6. Otherwise no. Otherwise we will get wrong answer. Next we have to divide by 136 to 90. So up to from this table we have to divide 19 7 is 133. Then just subtract here 36 6 minus 3 will come, and then 30 minus 30 3 minus 3 0 1 minus 1 0. Then write down here again 8. Then 2 19 2 38. So we can divide by 2. So 19 to the 38, remainder will be 0. So final answer is 13.072. This is the final answer of this division. Next, last question is 0.00625 divided by 5 whole number. So you have to say follow this steps before question. Just write down 5 divided by 0.00625. Now we have to divide. Just you see here the 4.0 is given, so it is not divisible by 10. For that you have to put a 0. Just remove this point. Then again 2 more zeros are there. So we cannot go direct 6. For that this point 0 you have to write down in question. So write down here 0 0. Then go for 6. Now just write down 6. It can divide by 5, 1 so 5 over 5, just write down 5 over 5, subtract 6 minus 5, 1 will come, then write down here, again 1 is there, so it is not divisible by 5, so write down here 2, 12, it can divide by 5, so 2 5 2 10, so it is, again we have to subtract 12 minus 10, 2 will come, next write down here 5, so it can divide 5 5 25. So final answer is 0.00125. Question is 0.00125. This is the final answer, 0.00125. Like that you have to follow in the exercise problem.